Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 2001 to 2007 Sequoia. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Unbolt and lift the rear of the body to create working clearance. Remove the coil springs, exhaust, fuel tank, track bar, and any fuel lines or brackets near the work area. Step 3. Cut the factory crossmember out of the frame rails. Cut the weld securing it to the coil spring buckets. Inspect the frame rails and coil spring buckets where the track bar crossmember mounts. If repairs are needed, repair or replace the coil spring buckets and repair the frame before moving forward. Step 4. Position the replacement track bar crossmember using the factory silhouette for alignment. Use a jack to hold it in place. Confirm the track bar mount is properly positioned. Step 5. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the crossmember in place. Then fully weld all edges. Be sure to weld the coil spring buckets to the crossmember. Step 6. Install the track bar using the included M14 hex head bolt, M14 washer, and M14 insert flange hex nut. The M14 bolt uses a 22mm socket. The M14 nut uses a 21mm socket. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Once dry, reinstall the fuel lines, coil springs, exhaust, fuel tank, and track bar. Then lower and reinstall the body.